going to make videos about making robots. But first, we have to learn about electronic components. We are going to learn about bulb, switches, batteries today. There's two currents. There's AC and DC. AC is the dangerous current. DC is less as AC. We are going to use DC when we are learning with smaller batteries. There are different kind of batteries with different sizes and different voltages. Most of the toys use AA and AAA batteries. There's one-time use batteries and rechargeable batteries. This is positive, this is negative. So what's positive? This is positive, this is negative. We are going to first use toys to learn. Now I'm going to show you how the bulb and batteries work. This is positive, this is negative. The negative side has to go to the spring. The positive side has to go to this. Like this. Again, the negative side go to this spring, positive side to go to this, like this. Now we put the wire to here and there. Now we put the positive side wire to the negative side. It's wrong. We have to put the positive side wire to the bulb's positive side. Otherwise, it will not work. Now, why doesn't it working? Because I didn't plug it. Now I plug it. Now it's working. In the battery there's electron. The electron travel from the negative side to the positive side, and the electron travel in through the bulb. Then that's why the bulb is working. Don't plug positive side to the negative side without anything. Battery can get hot and it will be dangerous. Now we are going to learn about a switch. Before we use a real switch, we have to learn from a wire switch. When we remove this wire, the light will turn off. Why is that? The electrons go in the negative side to the bulb, then they can't go back to the battery. So, they are stuck there. That's why it's not working. If we plug it, the electrons come out in the battery and go through the bulb and go back to the battery. That's why it's working. Now, we are going to use a real switch. Then it works. The switch is inside. It's like a wire switch. Something is in the switch that stops the electrons go. Now let's turn it on and turn it off and play with it. There are lots of switches. Look, this one have 12 and this one have 3. These are dip switches. Now let's see other kind of switches. This is a big switch. If we turn it this way, it will on. There's two switches because this red 2 is the switch. And this is our one switch. We have to press it and stay. We can't press it and let it go. Then it won't work. We have to press it and stay. Now we are going to turn off on a LED. Before you turn a LED, just listen. We have to put a resistor, otherwise the light will burn out. Because he don't want lots of power. If you give lots of power to the LED, it will burn. Toy kids have resistors over here. But if you are turning a real LED, don't forget to put a resistor. Now I am going to on it. We will talk about resistors later. If you are putting 2 resistor bulbs, the current will not be enough to the bulbs. But if you put another battery, it will work. Now I am making a 2 bulb one, but it will not get so much electron. I am going to show you that. Look, it stopped working. It stopped working. This bulb don't have so much power, so this one is not lighting. If you put 2 battery packs, it will work. Now I hope you can see. When one battery pack was there, electron flow was not enough. When 2 battery packs are connected with 2 bulbs, it will be good to light the bulbs. This is a dynamo. This is a speaker. This is a solar panel. This is a motor. This is a transistor. This is a IC. We're going to talk about all these later. Once we are done with learning with toys, we can do real things like this. Now this is one I build my own with toys. I learn from toys and come to this one. Once we are done with small things, you can move to big things like making robots. Goodbye. I will see you in another video.